Most beginners spend hundreds of hours trying to learn but get almost nowhere. I was one of them. I spent years trying to learn to code. I thought it was too hard and gave up. But at the start of this year, I was hit with some shocking news. I was wrong. There's a better way to learn, and it's fast. To begin, you need to find a programming language that will get you started in whatever you want to do. For example, if you want to make websites, you can learn languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Or, if you want to start working on pretty much anything else, Python is a great way to go. These languages have slightly simpler syntax so that you can spend more time learning the concepts of coding. Which brings me to my next point. Programming is just a tool to problem solve. When you learn to program, you're actually just learning to problem solve. The programming languages are basically just syntax or grammar that a computer can understand. This is why some of the best programmers don't even worry about memorizing a programming language, but instead just search Google to find the answer.
Why don't you just Google it?
In order to program, you need to adopt the mindset that there is always a solution. You just have to find it. It might take minutes or even hours, but through all that hard work, you will be able to achieve your goals faster and faster. Coding isn't easy. As it's problem solving, you'll have to spend the time to practice it. Kinda like an instrument, anyone can play it. They just have to put enough time and effort to get it done. A loop that many beginners get stuck in is tutorial hell. They watch tutorial after tutorial and learn basically nothing. Think of it in the same way as learning a guitar. If you just watched YouTube videos and other people playing the guitar, you wouldn't magically get good. Instead, you would have to play along with them in order to learn. A mistake that a lot of new programmers make is that they try to make perfect code, but really what they should be doing is making it work as fast as possible. This is because, let's face it, coding is painful. But when they succeed, dopamine is released in their brain, giving them a reward. This process then repeats, and it's how people actually become addicted to programming. When you are programming, no matter who you are, you get stuck on problems. If you can't seem to solve the problem, walk away for 10 minutes and don't think about it. While you're doing something else, your subconscious mind will work on that problem, so that when you come back, there is a good chance that you will solve the problem very quickly. Using great tools to write your code can make your life easier and will help you to write code faster. General purpose applications like Visual Studio Code can help you read and write your code so much faster. So, if you're ready to take on the challenge of learning to code, click on the video up there to get started.